Get that boy out of there. Get the whole thing. Feed the cow.
Well, it's black. That's good. It ain't milky or nothing, so there ain't no water in it. It's got oil in it. It goes down to the top of the engine for filling it up full of oil. All right, I don't see any wasp nests, so we should be. That cow's just full of energy.
Dude, look at that thing.
Freaking getting it.
Oh, running.
Boy's on fire. So like I said, I don't see any wasp nests, but they're probably gonna find me if I had to guess.
Oh yeah.
This is some kind of switch here. Forward, reverse. It's gotta be the throttle. Yep, throttle. There should be a foot throttle there. It's not froze up. I don't know. Power. I think. I don't know if that's a ground or not. Where does that go?
Careful.
Can't see where that goes. So that's the hot. So it disconnects power on the ground side. All right. Now, I don't know if this thing was 24 volts or not, but that's how we're gonna hook it up. There. There's like that. Heck yeah, sweet. Something poking me in my glove. Don't feel good.
That was.